Good morning, my dear students. Today I will revise your first chapter, that is matter and its compositions, through some MCQ type of question discussion. Okay. So our first MCQ is given that which is a matter among the following. Options are given: gravity, time, sound, air. So definitely the answer will be the air, because air is something that occupies space and can be perceived by our sense. Okay. And air has also mass. Already through experiment we have already proved it. So definitely D, air is the correct option, and it is also a matter. But gravity, time, sound, they are not a matter. Okay. Next question is given that mass is the measurement of how much dash is in an object. Options are given: density, weight, matter, gravity. So mass is the measurement of how much matter is in object. Okay, is in an object. So answer will be the matter. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, density, weight, gravity, these are the wrong options. Next question is given: a body that weighs 12 Newton on earth will weigh only dash Newton on moon. We know that 1/6 time, okay, of the earth weights, okay, it will be in the moon. So it is given 12 Newton weighs, okay. So it will be the 1/6 of 12 Newton will be 2. So options are given 1, 2, 3, 4. So option B is correct. That is option 2, 2 Newton. Your answer will be 2 Newton. If you break a carbon dioxide molecule, you will get one carbon atom and dash oxygen atom. So if we write the carbon dioxide, then you can understand carbon dioxide formula is like this. So one carbon dioxide contains, okay, carbon dioxide molecule contains one carbon atom and two oxygen atom. So here your answer will be option 2, that one carbon atom and two oxygen atom. Okay. Next question is given: change of gas directly into solid state by cooling is called sublimation, deposition, condensation and solidification. Definitely your answer will be the deposition. Okay, when a gas is directly changes into solid state, it is called deposition. Okay. Next question given that by applying pressure which cannot be changed into liquid form. Options are given: dry, ice, carbon dioxide, air, oxygen. Okay. So dry ice is a solid compound, it cannot be changed into liquid form, okay, by applying pressure. So definitely your answer in this case will be the dry ice. Next question is given: the state of LPG is solid, gas, liquid, vapor. If you write the full form of LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas, it is in the liquid state. So your answer will be the liquid. So the state of LPG is liquid. Which is not soluble in water? Options are given: alcohol, vinegar, petrol and sugar. Alcohol, we know that it is soluble in water. Vinegar means acetic acid is also soluble in water. Sugar, all we know that sugar solution is possible, okay, in water. So sugar also dissolves, but petrol is a one type of oil, okay, and it is non-polar. It will not dissolve in water. So your option C is the correct answer. That will be the petrol. Next question is given: which one is incorrect about matter? Matter has 3 states. Matter has intermolecular space. Matter particles are always static. Matter occupies space. option C is the correct answer, that is matter particles are always static, because we know that in gases, in liquids, matter particles are in random motion, and solid there will be also some type of motion that is called vibrational motion. Already we have explained. So your option C is the correct answer, that is the matter particles are always static. This is the incorrect statement about the matter. Next question is given, which substance has the definite volume but always take the shape of the container? Options are given: water vapor, oil, wood, oxygen gas. Definitely a liquid has a definite volume and can take the shape of the container. So answer will be oil, because oil is a liquid compound. Okay. Water vapor is gas, wood is solid, and oxygen is gas. So these are not the correct answer. The correct answer will be the option B, that is the oil. Next question is given, in which case the particles of matter are in the highest speed. Options are given: petrol, sugar, water, water vapor. So petrol is liquid, sugar is liquid, water is sugar is solid, water is liquid, and water vapor is in gaseous state, and it has highest kinetic energy. Definitely the speed will be the highest. In case of gas molecule, as the intermolecular force of attraction is very less, definitely its speed will be highest. So option D is the correct answer, that is water vapor. Next question is given, which process is involved during snowfall in cold countries? Snowfall means that water droplets present in the sky, okay, in form of cloud, it is directly changes into the solid state, okay, from liquid state it is directly changes in solid state. Here options are given: evaporation, condensation, deposition, and solidification. This is called solidification or freezing. So option D is the correct answer. You have to tell the solidification. Next question is given, which process is involved during drying of wet clothes? Okay, in wet clothes there is water, water is liquid, is directly going to the gaseous state, okay, and this process is called evaporation. So options are given: evaporation, fusion, sublimation, and condensation. So evaporation is the correct answer. Next one is given, correct order of increasing compressibility of matter. So here I am writing the option so that you can understand. First option is given that nitrogen, then is given ice, then is given petrol. Next one is given ice, then petrol, then nitrogen. Next is given petrol, then nitrogen, then ice, and next is nitrogen, petrol, ice. So we know that the question was the correct order of increasing compressibility of matter. So compressibility increases from solid to liquid to gas. So here this one is solid, this one is liquid, this one is gas. So definitely option B is the correct answer. Okay. So this is the correct answer, because in case of solids are less compressible, liquids are more compressible than solid, and gases are highest compressible because of intermolecular space is highest. Okay. Large intermolecular space. Okay. So definitely this answer, that means ice, petrol, then nitrogen. Okay. So this is the increasing compressibility order of matter. Okay. Next question is given, the fundamental building block of matter. Okay. The fundamental building block of matter is molecule, proton, atom, and cell. Definitely your answer will be the atom. Atom is the fundamental building block of matter. Which is a property of matter that you cannot observe just by looking an object? Shape you can observe just by looking. Color also you can observe just by looking. Size also you can observe, okay, by looking. But temperature you cannot observe. Okay, you have to touch, otherwise you have to take one thermometer. So definitely option D is the correct answer, that is the temperature. So shape, color, size, temperature, these are four options. So your answer will be temperature. Next question is given that movement of sawdust particles on the surface of water increases with increase of dash. Options are given: temperature, next is pressure, volume and length. Definitely, if we increase the temperature, the kinetic energy will increase. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. So movement of sawdust particles on surface of water increases with increase of temperature. Next is given which is not lustrous among the following. Options are given: gold, silver, sulfur, mercury. Definitely your answer will be the sulfur, because gold is metal, it has metallic luster. Silver is also metal, it has metallic luster. Mercury is a liquid metal, it has also metallic lusters. Okay, so sulfur is non-metal, it has no luster. Okay, so your answer is the option C is the correct answer. Okay, that is sulfur. Next question is given which is not transparent among the following. Water, petrol, alcohol, milk. Transparent means where light can easily pass. Okay, from one side to another side. Okay, and water is transparent. Options are given: water, petrol, alcohol, milk. Water is transparent, petrol is transparent, alcohol is transparent, only milk is not transparent. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. And the last MCQ today I will discuss that in which case the force of attraction between the molecule is the least. Okay, options are given that iron bar, gold bar, wooden box and chalk pencil. Okay, iron bar is a solid metal, okay, where the attraction force between the particles, okay, of iron atoms, okay, very high. Gold bar also metal bar, okay, metal block. And wooden box where this is also very hard solid, okay, it will be very difficult to break. Okay, so definitely the force of attraction is very high. Chalk pencil is force of attraction is weak. Okay, you can easily break. Okay, already we have shown that we can easily break chalk pencil. So definitely option D is the correct answer, that is the chalk pencil, where the force of attraction between the molecule is the least among the following. Okay, hope in this way, okay, you have to study this full chapter, that means matter and its compositions. Okay, so till if you have any confusion or any question, okay, we will discuss in the live classes. So today up to this, thank you.